By 2030, over 200 million jobs will be handed to humanoid robots. Not AI software, not an app on your phone, physical robots with hands, legs, and the ability to learn. And the companies building them, they're not hiding it, they're proud of it. Now, before you think this is another tech fear video, stay with me, because this isn't about whether it will happen, it's already happening. Right now, in warehouses, in hospitals, on construction sites, and the timeline is much shorter than anyone is telling you. Let's name names. Tesla's Optimus robot is already working inside Tesla factories, doing tasks humans used to do. Figure AI, backed by Microsoft and OpenAI, just signed a deal with BMW. Their robot Figure 02 is assembling car parts on a live production line. Boston Dynamics Atlas robot can now run, jump, and handle objects in unstructured environments. And China's Unitree Robotics is selling humanoid robots for under $16,000. That's cheaper than hiring one employee for a year. So when exactly does this happen? Here is the real timeline, based on what companies are actually saying, not what the media is reporting. 2025, humanoid robots enter controlled factory environments at scale. Tesla targets 1 million Optimus units in production. 2026, robots begin entering logistics, warehousing, and food processing. Cost per unit drops below $10,000. 2027 to 2028, construction, agriculture, and retail begin large-scale deployment. The robot-to-human cost advantage becomes impossible to ignore. 2029 to 2030, white-collar tasks begin. Data entry, basic analysis, customer service. The Goldman Sachs report says 300 million jobs globally are at risk. 300 million! So which jobs are actually first? Researchers and economists agree on the order. Manufacturing and assembly, already happening. Warehouse picking and packing, Amazon, Walmart, already deploying. Food preparation and fast food. Flippy the burger robot is already in over 100 restaurants. Security and surveillance. Robots already patrol malls in the US and Asia. Delivery. Both ground robots and drones are already in 30 countries. And within 5 years, cashiers, data entry clerks, basic customer support agents, and entry-level analysts. The pattern is clear. If your job involves repetitive physical or digital tasks, it is in the crosshairs. Now, to be fair, experts who say this won't happen fast have a point too. Robots still struggle with unstructured environments. They break down, they're expensive to maintain, and every industrial revolution in history created more jobs than it destroyed, eventually. The key word is eventually. The transition period, that gap between jobs disappearing and new ones being created, is where the real danger lives. And history shows that gap can last decades for real people, real families, real communities. So what do you actually do with this information? 3 things. First, move away from repetitive. Any skill that involves doing the same task in the same way every day is a risk. Start adding complexity, creativity, or human judgment to your work now. Second, learn to work with robots and AI. The workers who thrive in the next decade won't be the ones competing against machines. They'll be the ones managing, maintaining, and directing them. That's a skill set you can start building today. Third, watch the timeline. The companies building these robots are public about their deployment goals. Follow Figure AI, Tesla, Boston Dynamics. When they say something is 2 years away, believe them. They have more to lose than being wrong than you do. The humanoid robot revolution is not a prediction, it is a scheduled event. The dates are known, the companies are funded, the factories are being retrofitted. The only question left is whether you will be prepared when it arrives. If you want to stay ahead of every major shift in AI and robotics before it hits the mainstream, subscribe to Neural Edge AI. And the next video, it covers the one skill set that robots cannot replicate, no matter how advanced they get. We publish every week. You will not want to miss it.